looks fine. Do it again. Usually I use used motor oil to do this, but this is easier this time. And this is a chain that runs the pickup head. I'm going to take this up to the barn because that's where the hay is. We'll rebale a round bale and see how she works. Here we are. But I noticed one thing I need fixed. Somebody forgot to store the jack before pulling ahead, and it's bent outward. I'm not pointing any fingers at who might have done that. Nope. It was me. I did it to one of the hay binds too. Just a little kiss. That looks pretty good. I'll take that. One of the other things I always did when we were running this baler was I always take the twine out at the end of the season, because it's sitting in the baler, things mess with it. Mice, and it gets wet sometimes. So anyway, we have to thread the baler. This is sisal twine. And you start the roll from the center, or this is a ball actually. It's called a ball. And feeding these is quite specific. That's part of the directions. That one goes through